Hello students, and welcome to week 3. So if you're watching this video, that means that you are going for it, the optional assignment for the week. So thanks for checking in. I'm going to go ahead and just show you what this assignment looks like. This is an assignment to look at how you can build an aluminum foil boat that will actually hold weight when set in water. So here's the assignment here. You can read through the instructions, but I'll just kind of briefly show you. First assignment, as usual within this unit, is to let me know what you already understand about boats and how they work. Second assignment here is a video that just kind of gives you the basics on buoyancy and kind of talks about the science behind it. Then this third assignment here, that is the one where you actually get instructions on how to build one of these aluminum foil boats and what the parameters are, what kind of materials you can use, and what's allowed and whatnot. So there's also a little YouTube video of a guy doing one so that you can kind of get an idea of where to go. Okay, and then the final thing is just recording what you were able to do and what your final results were. Okay, so since this is optional, you can feel free to do them in whatever order you want. You can pick and choose, do some of them, do none of them, up to you. But I just wanted to leave this as an opportunity for you if you want to keep learning about how to do these little building tasks and you want something fun and different than your other classes. Here's something for you. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. And I will post this video that I'm making right now at the bottom of this assignment so you can access it again if you need to. But it should be pretty straightforward. All right, guys, have a great week. Take care.